When it comes to trading, choosing the right broker is massively important. The reason for this is because you can get in and out of trades quicker, and you can actually get in and out of trades cheaper, which actually affects your ROI. So today we're going to be comparing two of the absolute best brokers out there to decide which one will be taking the crown. None of this is financial advice and purely educational content only, but without further ado, let's dive into the video. So today we're going to be comparing Invidiatrade with Pepperstone, and let's just talk about the site from a first-hand perspective. If you are a newer trader or even an advanced trader, what you want to see is a simple but an effective landing page so you know where you are, you know how to navigate the site, and that's going to translate into how easy the broker is to use and how good the response is from the broker as well, right? So when we're looking at Invidiatrade, very clean, very nice, everything is very much in your face, and yeah, you can read it and just check everything is what you need. And this is actually really what you want when you do come to a broker. Whereas if we go with Pepperstone here, very, I would say overwhelming, a lot of data in every angle here. And yes, the site is pretty clunky here, I would just say, as a landing page. But what about as a broker? How does this work as a broker in terms of what is the best? So from my experience here, guys, Invidiatrade definitely is faster when it comes to executing trades. And this is just because they are a newer broker, they have better infrastructure. And yeah, I mean, you just get in and out of trades a lot quicker. This is going to lead to slightly less slippage. It's going to lead to basically getting in faster when there are big market movements. Whereas on Pepperstone, I have felt it a little bit congested at times when the market is super volatile. And that when you do try and get into a trade and you want it to be instant, yes, I would just say that Pepperstone is slightly slower than Invidiatrade in execution. Now, when it comes to trading platforms, with Invidiatrade, you can use TradingView DX. You can use MT Cloud 4 and 5. So that's MetaTrader Cloud 4 and 5. Cloud Vision X and cTrader View. So four really good options here. Whether you're more of a TradingView guy or a MetaTrader guy, you have all of these available to you very easily. Now with Pepperstone, you do have MetaTrader 4 and 5 and TradingView options, but they've also got cTrader as well. So this is basically a platform that you would have to go and learn in order to trade, but you can still use it on all of these as well. So that's fantastic. But I would just say, just based on the learning experience, the learning curve when it comes to using these trading instruments, I would definitely say that Invidiatrade is ahead on that front. It's just that the cloud versions of these are just so much easier and navigatable. They're just a lot more intuitive and they're a lot easier to access from different places, whether you're on mobile or whether you're on desktop. Next, let's talk leverage. So on Pepperstone here, you can see here on these various accounts, you do have different leverages. So you've got 1 to 200, you've got 1 to 200 there on both of those accounts. And if you're a professional client, you get 1 to 500. Now, this is good. This is okay. And obviously you can trade all of your Forex currencies here, which is fantastic. But if we are looking at Invidiatrade for leverage, you can see that every account, no matter whether you're professional or retail here, you can actually use up to 500x leverage, which is massive. And yes, that's just going to allow you to earn more money from your trades. And as you can see here, guys, they don't just offer Forex, they do offer cryptos, metals, indices, stocks, and commodities as well on Invidiatrade. So when it comes to just getting an account, using high leverage and having access to all of the trading instruments, I would definitely say Invidiatrade is ahead on that front. Now, as for regulation, guys, what I will say about Pepperstone is they are regulated, but they're regulated in the big countries like the UK and the US. And this is actually a problem because it restricts you from trading from outside those countries if you are from certain areas of the planet. So when it comes to trading on Invidiatrade, these guys are actually regulated in St. Vincent and the Grenadines, which is basically allowing you to access this broker from anywhere in the world with such relaxed regulations. Now, the Grenadines are obviously also very secure as a regulation system. So yes, these guys are definitely safe to use. And they do have that relaxed geography behind it. So yes, no matter where you are in the world, you can just use Invidiatrade to trade and you are good. You've got your broker. You're not going to be restricted like you would be on Pepperstone. So in summary here, guys, definitely check out Invidiatrade because that is going to be the winner of this video. We did compare Pepperstone and Invidiatrade today, and yes, Invidiatrade is the winner. So definitely check them out in the description. That's going to be it for this video. I will see you in the next one.